In this video, you'll learn how to check the SSL status on your Bluehost WordPress hosting so you can quickly confirm whether your site is secure and using HTTPS correctly. We'll walk through the steps slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what each status message means. First, you'll want to sign into your Bluehost portal. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, websites, and settings. Open your browser, go to the Bluehost login page and enter your account details. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main Bluehost home screen or dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options. Find and click on the option labeled Websites. This section is where Bluehost lists all the websites that are connected to your hosting account, whether you have just one site or several. After you click Websites, you'll be taken to a page that shows a tile or row for each of your sites. Each listing will typically show the domain name and a few quick management options. Locate the website whose SSL status you want to check. If you only have one, it should be right there in front of you. Next, look for the Manage button next to that website. This button takes you into the detailed settings and tools for that specific site. Go ahead and click Manage. It might take a second to load, but you'll then arrive on an overview page for your site. On this overview page, a Bluehost organizes different settings into sections or cards. What you're looking for is the card or section labeled SSL certificate. This is where Bluehost shows you the current status of the SSL for that website. Take a moment to read what it says on the SSL certificate card. If you see a message like SSL certificate is secure, that means your site currently has a valid SSL certificate installed and working. In many cases, this will be the free Let's Encrypt SSL that Bluehost provides, which is perfectly fine for most WordPress sites, blogs, and small business websites. When it's secure, visitors should see the padlock icon in their browser's address bar, and your site address will use HTTPS instead of HTTP. If instead the SSL card says something like not secure, that's a sign there's a problem. This could mean the certificate is missing, it has expired, or there was an issue when Bluehost tried to install or renew it. In this situation, your visitors may see security warnings in their browsers and the padlock icon will be missing. It's important to address that as soon as possible to keep your site trustworthy and to avoid scaring away visitors. If you do see not secure, a good next step is to stay on this page and look for any prompts or buttons related to enabling or reinstalling SSL, or reach out to Bluehost support for help. Sometimes it just needs to be reactivated or reissued, and support can usually handle that fairly quickly. And that's all there is to it. By logging into your Bluehost portal, going to websites, choosing Manage next to your site, and checking the SSL certificate card on the overview page, you can confirm in just a few seconds whether your WordPress site is properly secured with SSL.